Hi everyone. So I welcomes you in Programming with Parul, and the topic in this video is string in C programming. So if you are watching this video, then first of all must watch a video of multi-dimensional array in C programming. Okay. Now whenever we just for example, let me ask you one question. What is array? So it is just a collection of a similar kind of data. That's it. Now if I talk about multidimensional array, that means there are two-dimensional. Okay, but whenever we talk about multidimensional array, you just insert integer numbers into that. Okay, and you just imagine that. But just imagine you are storing characters in that particular array, whether it is a single dimensional or multidimensional. Okay, and if you observe carefully string, then you can say that it is a character of array. Okay, so over here you can see it is just an array, but array, it is not of integer values, but it is of type character. Okay, and which is one primitive data type in C programming. So what are the strings? It is a group of character that can be stored in character array, which is known as a string. Why we use character arrays or string are used by programming language to manipulate text such as word or sentence. Now we have in many cases we have asked the users to give input. Okay, for example, age, name, surname, address. It may be required according to our necessity. Now, for example, I want to search particular string in that given string. Okay, that means I want to manipulate that particular string. Let's say user has entered his or her name in lowercase, but I want to print it in uppercase. Okay, so that means I want to manipulate that such text, okay, or a sentence. So this is the concept of a string. Okay, now let's see how it is stored in memory. So string constant, it is one dimensional array of character terminated by a null character. Okay, now if I say, for example, programming with Parul, okay, this is the string sentence, which is sentence, that means combination of a string, or I can say string itself. So programming with Parul, so it is a single dimensional array of characters. Okay, now for example, character name. Now over here you can see this is array definition. Okay, it is not simple character name, but over here this rectangle braces represent that it is array. Okay, now inside this array we are initializing it with this particular characters. Okay, so this is character and name of this character array is name. Okay, and these all are the elements of this particular array, or I can see string itself. Now what is this? Or here you can see /0. What is this? Can you answer me? Or just think about that. It is null character. Okay, it is null character which identify that it is the end of that particular string, or I can say end of that particular array. Each character in an array occupy 1 byte of memory, and the last character is always /0, or I can say null character. Now, as you know, if you declare an integer variable, it reserve 4 byte of space in memory, and if I declare character variable, I'm not talking about integer, array, I'm just talking about single character variable, then it will occupy 1 byte of memory in memory. So if I declare array of character, okay, so the number of characters byte, it will be occupied in the memory. For example, over here this you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So total there are 7 characters. So 7 byte of memory will be reserved for this particular array, okay, named name. Now this is the actual storage of this particular characters in the memory. So this is just some temporary, or I can say just a memory address, for example, okay, 6550, and over here this edge is stored. After that all the sequential characters are stored in this sequential memory. You can see this is 50, 52, 54, okay, just like that. So how do we do initialize string in C? Okay, for example, you want to initialize string in C. So how can you do that? So it's just very simple. Character name and rectangle braces that define array is equals to whatever string that you want to assign to that particular array. Okay, and observe in this declaration /o, that is null character, is not necessary. See, insert the null character automatically. Okay, it is internal assignment. You don't need to specify that. You just need to specify your string. It can be anything. Okay, now create an array of arrays. Now for example, I am declaring a two-dimensional character array. You can see this type is character, name of array is tracks, and it is of two-dimensional. Over here first dimension is not specified and second dimension is of 80. Now just understand what does it mean. For example, inside this multi-dimensional array I have stored string like this: I left my heart in Harvard Med School. Okay, these are just random sentences that I have included, assigned to my array. Okay, so total 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 strings are assigned to that particular in that array. Now let's understand, it is a two-dimensional array and 4 to 5 string that I have assigned. Now let's understand what does it mean. Okay, so first of all, it is the first set of bracket for the array of all the string. Okay, I have not specified over here, but if I want, I have to specify it. What is the size of what are the number of strings in this? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it can be 5 over here. Okay, but I have not specified and it's okay. So this first set of bracket, it is for array of all the string. That means over here you are specifying how many rows, or I can say how many strings are there in this particular multi-dimensional array. Okay, after that this second dimension specify for each individual string. So this is for all. Okay, and the second dimension specify a set of bracket, it is for each individual string. That means maximum possible character in each individual string. Okay, so I guess in this video introduction of a string is enough. Okay, and please watch my next video in which I have explained in how many ways you can print out, or I can say input the string from user, or you can print it out. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye, take care.